Ribeyes. Filet, 6 tickets for $5. Cornish hens, Canadian bacon, and Bob Evans breakfast sausages and bacon. And Jimmy Dean sausage. You've all heard about him on TV. Okay. Okay, I'm going to buy the whole tray for $500. Okay. Yeah. Okay, no, I'm going to give that to the Larry Stecker Scholarship Fund.
Yay!
Now I am. Our fishing tournament today was half for the individuals that fish and half for the Larry Stecker Scholarship Fund. And we are going to create at least $1,500 for 3 individuals at the high school to take away $500 each. So, yeah. And I want to thank Bob Dickinson for donating towards this also. Let's give Bob a hand. Bob, thank you. Wherever he is. There he is. Yes, Bob is helping me do this for the Larry Stecker Scholarship Fund, which I appreciate. Thank you very much, Bob. So on to the raffle tickets. Now the things on the pool table in an hour and a half will be distributed, and same thing, 6 tickets, $5. It's all going towards the Barnstormers to help them groom their trails. And the girls are going around selling tickets. And we have about 15 girls doing that. Yeah, they're everywhere. Like they're everywhere, so look out. They're everywhere. And they will all of a sudden come up to you and say, hey, y'all want to buy some tickets? I have a ticket for you.
We saw that today. You look good, actually. You weren't even you got wet feet. Other than that,